Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to follow someone in Duolingo app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to follow someone in Duolingo, all you need to do is simply tap open the Duolingo app. So once you open it, you will be in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the profile like icon, and once you are in your profile, simply tap on add friends. After you do so, you can simply search the name or username of the person you want to follow, or in the suggestion section also you can see people out there, so simply hit the follow button to follow them. Or if you want someone to join Duolingo to be your friend, then simply invite your friends by your contacts, or simply share a link of your profile so that you can be friends with them after they are in the Duolingo app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.